Hey, everyone! Welcome to our channel. Are you looking to create an avatar for your social media, gaming, or business profiles? In this video, we'll show you how to make a stunning avatar using artificial intelligence. AI technology has made it easier than ever to design custom avatars that look like you or represent your brand. First, we'll introduce you to the AI software we'll be using today. We'll walk you through the different features and tools that you can use to personalize your avatar, including skin tone, hair color, and facial features. We'll also show you how to adjust your avatar's pose and expression so it looks exactly how you want it to. So don't wait any longer, get started creating your personalized avatar today.
Let's get started and make your perfect avatar with AI. So, the first thing we need to do is to go to ChatGPT and dictate the character description. Here is an example. Please create for me a blonde-haired female character description to give to MidJourney AI for my YouTube videos. Once ChatGPT has finished writing my character description, I will copy it and go to MidJourney AI. We will paste the description in MidJourney AI and wait for a few seconds while the AI generates the character. As shown here, MidJourney AI started to create our character. After he has finished our character, we can choose between these three characters. We will go with this character and improve it. This is our final character. You can make variations and create different looks, but for me, I will go with this picture. Now, just save this and go to this website to remove the background and make it a green screen. After removing the background, you can choose the green screen and click Download. To generate our character video, go to this website and create or sign up for an account. You can use the free version to create videos. I have already created some videos there, as you can see. Click on Create Video and upload your character. Then, just write a script and choose the voice you want to use. Click on Generate Video, and your video will be created. You have successfully created your own AI-powered avatar and made a video with it. You can then use any program to remove the green screen and add any background you want. In this video, we walked you through the process step by step, showing you how to use different AI tools and features to personalize your avatar. We also shared some best practices for designing avatars that are both visually appealing and representative of you or your brand. Now that you've created your own avatar, it's time to show it off to the world. Use it on your social media profiles, gaming apps, and websites. Your avatar is a fun and unique way to express yourself and stand out in the digital world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos.